Hello everyone, I'm so excited to be heading to the Microsoft 365 Community Conference in May, where I will be presenting an amazing Microsoft Teams workshop with my good friend, Microsoft MVP Habib.
We're going to be doing the Ultimate Microsoft Teams Administrator Workshop, where we're going to be working on a lot of different administration capabilities. And so Vlad, I know there's a couple parts of Microsoft Teams administration. So what do you want to cover?
Well, since I come from a collaboration and SharePoint background, what I'll do is I'll get you started with all the different admin tools you have to manage Microsoft Teams, and then we'll focus on the collaboration side. So what are all the different team settings and policies that you can do to control what can people do inside Microsoft Teams? We're gonna talk about templating, about governance, who can create teams, do you want a naming policy, and of course, a bit of external sharing because it's a big topic for admins today, and Microsoft Teams with federation, guests, shared channels, did not necessarily make it easy for us. But Teams is more than just text and file collaboration, it's communication, and this is what Habib is an expert in.
Yeah, so we're going to be also providing instructions on how to configure Microsoft Teams phone systems. What should you choose? What are the different architectures? Also, we're going to be talking about how to manage and secure your Microsoft Teams room systems, licensing, along with, back to the telephony side, auto attendance, call queues, enhanced functionality around Microsoft Teams telephony. So a lot of information.
A lot of information for one day. So if you want to become a rock star Microsoft Teams admin and learn everything from the basics to collaboration, governance, and telephony, join our workshop in Las Vegas and
Use code VLAD150 for the best possible price.
we hope to see you there.